recently got my hands on the MagMod XL kit. So as you guessed it, this video is all about this. I want to walk you through what's included, what it's for, and give you some of my thoughts of shooting with it. Let's dive in. Hello, my friends. My name is Pi. Welcome to another MagMod video. If you know me, I like to get straight into things and not waste your time. So look, what we're really talking about when it comes to the MagMod XL kit is now having the ability to bring your favorite light modifiers, your favorite kind of MagMod spheres, grids, gels. That's kind of what it is for me, right? But all the ease and simplicity of MagMod modifiers now available with your full strobe. Why don't we start first with what's in the kit? So the MagMod XL kit is around $300, just a little bit under. And I would suggest that if you are going to use it with like more than one strobe, like if you have a 2 or 3 strobe setup, just go ahead and save the money and get the dual strobe kit because it's a little bit discounted buying them together. But inside, you're going to get this. This is the Reflector XL, and a lot of the pieces are going to revolve around this, which I'm going to show you in just a second. They're also backwards compatible as well. But the Reflector XL works just like a zoom reflector. So if you ever used a zoom reflector, you know exactly what it does. It's going to funnel light forward. It simply attaches with whatever mount you choose. This is one of the Bowen's mounts. This is a Profoto mount. So I just snap it on and now I can send my light anywhere I like. Thing is, if you have used other zoom reflectors, the first thing that I want to mention is I love the fact that this actually collapses down. So not only can I collapse it and I can actually adjust the light angle so I can get a wider beam this way or pull it out, but it's also going to be very portable, right? I can collapse this and stick it anywhere without worrying that the reflector is going to fold in on itself. Like if you put a regular zoom reflector into your luggage and then you compress it, you destroy it, right? Also, I can drop this, I can throw, I'm not going to, but I could if I wanted to. And because it's silicone and rubber, and because the material inside is just a reflective material, it's not going to scratch, ding, scuff, anything. So it's very durable, and I love that aspect of it. How this works, so once you attach this to the flash, you will actually attach to it the different modifiers. So let me show you those now. I have here the sphere plus grid, but this is the XL version. I'm going to do a size comparison in just a moment too. But you'll notice that it's actually attached to a mag ring. So if you are using the existing mag box setup with your mag rings, this is completely compatible with that. But essentially how this works is you take one of these XL products and you get the zoom reflector that comes along with it. You just attach it, simple like that. You get the sound, you know what I mean? Like the sound, that's a big deal. I like it. And yeah, they're completely stackable as well. So you can actually take the sphere, pop it on there as well. And now we can get that same sphere and grid combo right onto our larger strobes, which I love because that's one of my favorite combos. And you can actually go back and see me using it in several of the different MagMod videos that we've created. And by the way, you'll notice from the B-roll in this video that I'm actually using it on shoot. So our next video is going to be how we pulled off all of these shots that you're seeing and what we're doing basically in the B-roll. Okay, so you have the Sphere XL. You have 2 different grids. You have a 20 degree and a 40 degree. We also get gels. So along with the kit, it comes with 3 corrective gels. We get basically a CTO variation of gels. And there's also a separate creative gel kit, which you can get as well. But included in the kit is the quarter, the half, and the full CTO. And I believe I've got most of it covered, with the exception of the beautiful carry case, which in my opinion, I mean, ladies, why carry around like $2,000 purses and Louis Vuitton stuff when you got this? Just as good. It's fine, you're not here for my jokes, but it's a fantastic carry case for the entire XL kit and makes it highly portable. You know what, let me just show you this though. This is, well, that is a pen that is stuck to my MagMod XL. This is the original sphere. This is the size difference in the new XL. Can you guys see this? It's huge. And I know you're asking, like, next question is, does it feel as good on the skin? And absolutely, like I would sleep with this. This is the grid. So old grid, not old grid because it's not really old, right? This is just the grid for flashes versus the grid for strobes. Same material, same way of function, everything. So I want to just give some thoughts on kind of what I really appreciate about using it. And in the next video, you're going to see us actually go on set. We're going to create the images. But what I love about this, and I know I'm saying love probably too much. I really do. I really dig these products because for so long, I've been really enjoying using the MagMod system of of everything when it comes to like flashes, right? And so I go to weddings and I go do portraiture and I go do all these shoots and I get to use all the gear that I love, all the modifiers that I love. And then I get back to my studio or I bust out a studio strobe on location and I got to go back to kind of studio gear and modifiers that are just more clunky, more difficult to set up. And I've been wanting this guy in particular on my strobe for so long, on the full strobe, because for me, not only is this, again, highly portable, it's compact, it's durable, everything, but it's going to replace the softbox in probably the majority of my location-based shooting. So now I can get this, and you guys can use whatever strobes you like. Again, it comes with whatever mount you want, right? But not only I can take this small full strobe with me, but this becomes my beauty dish that goes practically anywhere. So when I get on location, I get my same MagMod items, the same simplicity, the same portability, the durability, the ease of use, and oh yeah, of course, the magnet sound. Hold on. Anyway, this release to me is huge because when we're talking from a quality of life standpoint, the XL system just greatly improves quality of life when it comes to using any full studio strobe, wherever you might be using it. So that is the MagMod XL kit, and that's it for me. I'd love to see you all in the comments. I actually read all of your comments and I do my best to reply whenever I can, but I get a lot of my ideas from your comments. So if you guys have questions, suggestions, things that you want to see in future videos, let me know. We'll also link up the gear that I'm kind of showing here. Oh, and quick note, all the B-roll you were seeing from this video is coming from our next video, which we're going to be talking about basically how we created these shots using the MagMod XL system. So until then, see you guys in the next video. Peace.